Building a gaming PC is exciting. It lets you pick parts for the best experience. Forget pre-built limitations. Today's games demand power. A custom PC delivers incredible graphics and smooth gameplay. You control everything. Building your own PC teaches you how it works. You can troubleshoot problems and upgrade easily. It's a rewarding experience. Ready to dive in? Let's explore the awesome components for your ultimate 2024 gaming PC build. The CPU is the brain of your PC. For gaming, you need a fast multi-core processor. AMD Ryzen and Intel Core processors are top choices in 2024. They offer incredible speed for gaming. Look for a CPU with at least 8 cores and a high clock speed. This ensures smooth performance in demanding games. The GPU or graphics card renders visuals. It's crucial for a stunning gaming experience. NVIDIA GeForce RTX and AMD Radeon RX series dominate the market. They offer ray tracing and high frame rates. Consider your monitor's resolution when selecting a GPU. A higher resolution requires a more powerful card. Section 4. Memory and storage. Speed and space for victory. RAM or memory affects how smoothly your games run. Aim for 16 GB of DDR5 RAM for optimal performance. For storage, choose a fast NVMe SSD. It loads games quickly and reduces loading times. A 1TB SSD is a good starting point, allowing you to install numerous games and other software. Section 5. Motherboard matters. Connecting the dots. The motherboard is the foundation of your PC. It connects all the components together. Choose a motherboard compatible with your CPU and RAM. Consider features like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. ATX is a popular motherboard size. It provides ample space for components and